Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to talk about setting up ML.NET with NinjaTrader, and also I'll be talking about setting up a server that is going to talk to NinjaTrader, and NinjaTrader is going to talk to the server. So basically we'll be sending data from NinjaTrader to a server. That server is going to be sending data to our app that's going to be using ML.NET and calculating everything we need to calculate, and that app is going to send the data back to the server, and the server is going to send the data back to NinjaTrader, and NinjaTrader is going to accept that data and plot it for us. Okay, so what we see right here is actually ML.NET calculating using some kind of algorithm. Okay, I don't remember its name. I think it's called, one second, let me show you. So it's called Singular Spectrum Analysis SSA model, whatever. Okay, so that thing is actually, so I just sent, 300 bars, okay, to that algorithm, and it calculated the horizon of 60 bars, and basically with these parameters, and that's what it returned. Okay, so we can play around with that. So for example, let's have a look, and it does an interesting job sometimes it doesn't, so you really have to play around with the settings. Okay, that's looks like it might work out just the way it is. Okay, but anyway, it was quite challenging to set this whole thing up. It did take quite a lot of pressure, so pop into the course and check out the tutorial for setting it up yourself. Everything you need to have is going to be free. So you're going to have the server. You don't need the server. You can set it up as free server at Pusher. It'll show you how to do that, and all the rest of the code I'll take you through setting up the whole thing, okay, and provide this whole solution in the course. All right, take care.